Welcome to this video on single-phase and three-phase pumps. We will provide a technical comparison of their design, power, and efficiency to help you understand their unique roles. Let's start with power supply basics. Single-phase systems utilize one live wire and one neutral wire, while three-phase systems are powered by three live wires, providing distinct electrical configurations for different needs. The way power flows is a key differentiator. Single-phase systems deliver pulsating power that drops to zero, whereas three-phase systems provide constant power, ensuring the delivery never hits zero. Starting mechanisms also differ. Single-phase pumps require auxiliary capacitors to initiate movement, while three-phase pumps benefit from a rotating magnetic field, allowing them to naturally self-start. When it comes to efficiency and capacity, single-phase pumps generally operate at 70 to 80% efficiency and are typically built for up to 2 horsepower. Three-phase pumps offer higher efficiency at 85 to 95% and are designed for heavier loads of 3 horsepower and above. Regarding lifespan and maintenance, single-phase pumps often have a shorter lifespan due to vibration-induced bearing wear. In contrast, the balanced loads of a three-phase system minimize mechanical stress, contributing to a longer, more reliable service life. While single-phase pumps offer a lower initial purchase price, three-phase options come with a 10 to 15% upfront premium. However, three-phase systems often balance this through lower long-term operating costs. Infrastructure rules dictate application. Single-phase pumps integrate seamlessly with standard residential wiring. Three-phase systems are more efficient for long-distance power delivery, but may require phase converters or variable frequency drives for specific home installations. For ideal field applications, single-phase is the go-to for residential houses, garden irrigation, and small water tanks. Three-phase power is the standard for demanding tasks like agriculture, high-rise building systems, and municipal water infrastructure. To summarize, this matrix highlights the core differences, from the pulsating flow and capacitor start of single-phase systems to the continuous, efficient, and self-starting nature of three-phase industrial solutions.